Okay, this card is Virgo, represented in the cube starlog. It's Virgo because it's a spade card, and spades represents Earth. It's black, and black is one of the Earth magnetic color elements. Um, it's a queen, so it's mutable. All queens in the face cards are mutable, and so mutable Earth card is Virgo. Uh, just for the king here, if you notice, there's some clubs here in her hat, and that's kind of cool. And also some things to point out. This is a flower here, but it's behind the way she's looking. Another thing, Virgo, if you're a Virgo ascendant, and it's kind of funny that I'm a Virgo ascendant, if you are, then your personality is feminine. Um, it's funny, people be like, are you gay? And I'm like, no, I'm not gay, you know what I'm saying? But like, I rock shit like this, you feel me? That's dope to me, you know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, I'm colorful, you know what I'm saying, basically. So, but in truth, it's a female. Uh, I've met girls with masculine, like my wife. She she's a king of hearts, Aquarius, and she's a woman, but she has a masculine, a mature male's personality. So I have the female personality in the Virgo rising. But this is just dealing with the Virgo card. But that's a fun fact. Another fun fact about Virgo is that the animal it represents, which is very interesting to me, is not an animal at all, but it's actually a human. The only human represented in the chart in my studies. And yeah, so it's a the duties of Virgo is routine. People think it's perfection or cleaning, and that is, but all that is a part of efficiency is creating a routine. Yep. Another thing to remember when you look at all the people think they do the same thing, but this is a spade, so that means it's Earth. Its function is acceptance or denial, and denial. It's not something you're going to feel. That would be a club card. It's not something you're going to think. That would be a diamond. It's not something that is in the environment or is in the rhythm of is in the air. When you walk in a room, it's not going to be in the air. This Virgo card, which all Earth cards are, it's in what you do. It's something that's physical. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. To activate this card, you just have to start cleaning. In my studies also, it represents the hands. That's another fun fact. Virgo represents the hands. Um, yeah. Okay, another fun fact I just remembered is that, okay, Virgo and Gemini are the two halves of the planet Mercury in the cube star log. And so that means whatever Mercury is, Virgo is doing half of that. Gemini is doing the other half. Virgo is the 11th house in the cube star log. This house is one of the houses that is with its back to the sun, and it is looking towards creation, looking towards God. With its back to the sun, and it's looking towards God. One of the three signs, or four, one of the four signs. And they're all looking right. And another fun fact is, I said I was a Virgo rising, and it's Virgo represents the human out of the animals, and it's the maid. It's what you do with your hands. It's how you create a routine of cleaning or whatnot with your hands. Now, one fun thing that I like to say is that I'm a made man, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm clean. So it's like I have that Virgo rising, that made man, that gangster cleanliness, you feel me? So that's another fun fact.